Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe, healthy and fine at your home. Children, today in your session 2, you are going to learn about why we use switches in order to put on or put off the torchlight. Similarly, we use various switches in our houses to put on or put off the electric bulbs, tubes, fans, etc. Let us now learn how a switch works. So children, for this you have to connect a circuit on a wooden plank or on a thermocol sheet as you are seeing here. Insert two drawing pins at A and at two ends of the wires. Let us assume A and B such that one end of the pin is completely in contact with B and the other end is left free. Now observe the bulb. What do you notice? Now touch the safety pin to pin A and observe the bulb again. What happens? Why doesn't the bulb glow when the safety pin is left free at one end? Now, in this activity, the safety pin is used to close or open the circuit. An electric switch is an arrangement to close or open, that means break a circuit. The switch allows the flow of electricity when it is on and cuts off the flow of electricity when it is off. And this way, the switch is used to allow or stop the flow of electricity to the bulb or any other electrical device. The flow of electricity in a circuit is called a current. Now, children, let us see the inside view of a torchlight. If you see here, the torchlight is used as a source of light. The parts of a torchlight are a hollow cylindrical barrel, cells, a bulb, a switch, a glass cover, and a metal spring. Each torch consists of a hollow cylindrical barrel in which cells are fitted. At one end of it, there is a lid with a screw which can be opened and closed. When the lid is closed and the switch is on, the circuit is completed and current flows in the circuit which makes the bulb glow. Now children, let us see what are conductors and what are insulators. Why are we advised to wear rubber chappals while working with electricity? Let us find out. So, children, if you see here, the substances which allow electric current to flow through them are known as conductors of electricity. Like we are seeing here, some of the examples of conductors are silver, gold, seawater, copper. Now, the substances which do not allow electric current to flow through them are known as insulators. For example, here you can see glass, rubber, plastic, oil. These are called as insulators. Now children, let us see the story of bulb. The story of the invention of a bulb is very interesting. We may think that a bulb is a very simple gadget. Just press a switch and it lights up. But do you know that many scientists worked very hard for many years before the first successful bulb was made? One of them was Thomas Alva Edison, who ultimately succeeded in making the first bulb. Since his childhood, Edison was of an inquisitive nature. That means he was very curious, he was very anxious in nature, and he learned science by performing experiments himself. You will be amazed to know that in his lifetime he invented more than 1000 inventions. Even an intelligent scientist like Edison had to work hard for many years before he could make a bulb that worked. First of all, he passed electricity through a thin thread like platinum wire. He noticed that the wire did give out light after being heated, but it burned out after only a few seconds. Edison then thought that if the air surrounding the wire coil was removed, then perhaps the wire would not burn out so quickly. He made a glass casing and fitted a filament of platinum wire in it. He then removed all the air from within the glass casing. He passed an electric current through the wire, and to his delight, the bulb lit up and did not burn out for 8 minutes long. He began experimenting with different materials while searching for a better choice of filament. He tried cotton thread coated with soot. This filament burned continuously for 45 hours. He tried different kinds of thread. One summer day, he saw a man fanning himself with a bamboo fan. An idea struck his curious mind. Well, why not try bamboo fiber as a filament? He executed his idea, and amazingly, the bamboo filament burned continuously for a number of days. Finally, he succeeded in making a cotton filament that was even better than the bamboo one. Today, we use the same kind of bulbs as were first made by Edison. The only difference is that our bulbs have a filament made of a metal called tungsten. So, children, this was a story about Thomas Alva Edison, the story of bulb. So, children, in our next session, we will be starting a new lesson. So, children, up to that, be happy. Allah Hafiz.